The Election Commission today ordered fresh voting in one polling station of Assam's Rathabari seat following a controversy over officials inexplicably transporting an electronic voting machine in a BJP candidate's car yesterday. The officials involved have been suspended, sources have said. The incident had led to violence in Karimganj district, where the seat is located. The car belonged to the wife of Krishnendu Paul, a BJP contestant in nearby Patharkandi. Top opposition leaders today cited this to allege malpractices by the ruling BJP. Assam went through the second phase of polling yesterday, recording over 77% turnout and a few instances of violence. One of the incidents was in Karimganj, with a video of the disturbance being shared widely on social media. The final phase of the polling in the state will be held on the 6th of April and the results will be declared on the 2nd of May. Let's listen into what Jitendra Singh had to say.
This is spoken from a position of weakness faced by imminent defeat. अब आगे देखिए अब क्या होगा कि जो चुनाव आगे बढ़ता जाएगा ये एक और इल्ज़ाम लगाएंगे, ये आरोप लगाएंगे कि बीजेपी ने मशीनों में कुछ ऐसा यंत्र फिक्स कर दिया था कि बटन तो दबाया जा रहा था हाथ का, लेकिन वोट जा रहा था कमल को। तो ये सारी बातें, और अब लोग इतने समझदार हो गए और हमारा सारा युवा वोटर, आई डोंट थिंक इससे कोई बहुत अधिक अंतर। जांच अपनी जगह होती रहेगी, तो जहां जांच करने वाली एजेंसियां वो अपना काम करे, उसमें इस तरह की बयानबाजी की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ना गुंजाइश है।
The latest that we are picking up from Election Commission through our sources is that what sources from the Election Commission are telling us is that the Commission has taken cognizance of the issue of the EVM being transported in a vehicle which is linked to a BJP candidate in Assam. In fact, what we are picking up is that the Commission in all likelihood is going to order a repoll in that particular polling station, and the officials responsible in terms of the transportation of the EVM would get suspended. That's the latest update that we have. However, we did speak at ground zero with the district administration as well as the police sources. So what we picked up is that what happened actually last evening is that this polling station 179 of Rathabari constituency, which falls under Karimganj, Karimganj district of Barak Valley, where polling took place yesterday. Now, after the polling process got completed, the polling party was returning back to Karimganj town. Now, the vehicle assigned to them in terms of transportation of the EVM broke down midway. The presiding officer got in touch with the sector officer and he was assured that a replacement vehicle would be sent in. Now, for reasons best known to the polling team there, they decided to take a lift from a private vehicle which was passing by. They also had an escort vehicle along with them. This is what police sources have told us. Now, as they approached the Karimganj town, a mob actually attacked the vehicle. They beat up the driver, and police sources also tell us that there might be also supporters of the opposition parties in that mob, but that is not important because the mob attack basically took place, the mob fury or the entire ruckus took place there largely because a word went out that the EVM was being transported in a vehicle which belongs to a BJP candidate, not from Rathabari constituency but at the adjoining Patharkandi constituency. And in fact now records the affidavit that that particular candidate from Patharkandi had filed with the EC clearly shows that the vehicle actually belongs to him. What happened is that when the mob attacked the driver and get out the vehicle, then police had to resort to lathi charge, and later they had to also blank fire to disperse the crowd. But this just goes to show there were serious lapses there in terms of the transportation of the EVMs. Perhaps now we have to wait in terms of what explanation the EC gives in this regard, apart from taking necessary action.